The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Well, we come into a doozy today. Guess the market's like that half a bip cut. Good morning and happy Thursday, fellas. Today is September 19th. Hope you guys had a good afternoon. If anybody traded FOMC yesterday, I hope you navigated well. We had a pretty good trade in the afternoon. Markets are up a mile. NASDAQ is currently up 2.2%, up 430 handles. Unbelievable. ES is up, call it 94. And actually, the Russell small caps are leading up 2.68% at 60 handles. Guys, this is my least favorite
So
trade.
Bank of Canada member Vincent just making
We are
comments, nothing on monetary policy, but just means that they
stratospheric
did not
up
mean
near
does,
the
but means it's
highs.
strengthened.
Obviously, I need pullbacks if I'm going to do much today. I have gone back to a PA account on Algo 3.1 and the evaluation account I've been trading on Algo 3.2. In any event, if you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. For some of you, today is day 4. Some of you is day 3. I know we have Carol. You are starting today. If you're in the room, good morning and welcome. Volume is heavy. Good morning, Michael. Volume is heavy. We are at 115,000 contracts. Call it 116. Good morning, Patrick. Normal volume when we come in is right around 68,000, so we are stratospherically high. Bear in mind that this is when Ninja Trader likes to get a little squirrely, freezing, lagging, especially around the open, the first 30 minutes. If you're trading Apex or any of the funded platforms, please be cautious. In any event, let's get on with it. Excuse me. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, fellas. Here we go, y'all. Watch for freezing. Gold is going.
Brazil August tax revenue down to 201.6 billion. Hey, ICE below the estimate.
Let's see what gold does here.
Trading underway on the NYSE. Initially, the Dow was up 550 points. The S&P at 57.11, up 93 handles.
Initial
and new
support is
all-time
around
highs in the S&P
21.
cash market here on the open.
Initial support right around 21. Just lost power in Western Michigan. Then we got a short on the ES. See if we can get down and get
Target filled.
There it is. Target filled on the ES Algo. I'm just waiting for this NASDAQ to find some footing here, guys. They've sold 300, 500, 700 contracts. Well, I mean, who the hell wants to buy the highs? Anybody take that 028 long on gold? Anybody take that 028 long on gold? Your first target is 055. If you took the gold trade at 028, you have first target. Really needs to break above 068, and then it becomes 088 target. If you took that 29 bounce, take some risk off. Take some risk off. Leave a runner, but take most of your risk off.
Target filled.
All right, guys. ES on the Algo got target. 2 trades, 2 winners on the ES Algo. Shoop-de-doo, baby. Shoop-de-doo. We have no signals yet on the NASDAQ. Crude is a short at 63 with a 74 stop. 63 with a 74 stop on crude. At the moment, it's 63 with a 74. Okay. This is what I want to see. Got a $700 trade here, but can't get to target yet. Come on, give me target 1. 18 handles is a fair amount of ticks, fellas.
Coming up at the top there, I'll get the August leading
Come
index
on,
expected
just
minus
missed target
0.3%. And existing home sales for August expected 3.9 million, which would be down about
Come on.
1.3%.
Target filled.
There it is. Target 1 hit.
3.95
Stop's
billion
gone break
prior.
even. The original bot has been short since 18. I don't know what you're running. I just rebuilt this last night. Well, they got longs pretty scared, fellas. Not a single algo trade yet or signal yet, which is cool. All I want, for those of you guys that are on trial, I'm not looking for 20 trades a day on the algos. We look for 1, 2 trades a day, high probabilities, specific criteria. And that's why the algos are currently running between 90 and 95% for months on end. We're coming down to VWAP, guys, 950. We're holding this low volume zone to the tick at 64. We have to press through 64. We're going to bounce around in this yellow area. All right, we've worked off overbought on the smaller time frames. 15-minute is trying to work off overbought. All right, we have a signal now. We have algo signals on NASDAQ. This takes a trade below that pivot unless it pops up through 88. That's gone. It's gone. No trade. Going to be out here on the original bot. No.
Israeli military saying that they are striking Hezbollah targets in Lebanon.
We're below the 2-minute cloud. I'd like to see us push down to 31. Let me just look at this NASDAQ here, guys. Getting a bounce on NQ.
Stop filled.
All right, out on the original bot. It's a target one only, 505. Nice job, Mike. Nice job, Michael.
Order submitted.
NASDAQ just took a long, guys, on the algo. I'm sorry, ES. My apologies.
Target filled.
Target hit on the ES algo. 3 trades, 3 winners, up 450. A little bit better day than yesterday. Of course, we knew yesterday would be sloppy. No trades on the NASDAQ for the most part. On the NASDAQ algos, ES lost $500. Three for three. I could yeah, I did. I did finish the story. I when I first really started trading, maybe 15 years ago, I guess, whatever it's been, long before I went to work for Simon. But I used to get so anxious in trades when they'd pull back that I couldn't watch. Connor was saying, he gets anxious with these trades. And it never bothered me to lose money. I just couldn't watch the trade. So the trade would be on, my stop and targets would be on, and I'd either hear target filled or stop filled. I could live with either result, but I just couldn't watch it. Nah, this doesn't faze me. I mean, I've been trading in front of, hell, at times I've traded in front of 600-700 people, and my mistakes are, in full view. My losing trades are, they're out there. They're on YouTube. They're out there. We hit 47. Volatility is so high that that first target is humongous. We're getting a little compression in here with some sellers, but they're small. Maybe a year.
Order submitted.
All right, guys. We could get a pullback here. The what it came down to, George, was part of the reason that I was apprehensive is I really
Order filled.
I really didn't have a serious understanding and knowledge of trading. and what I wanted to do, and where I wanted to execute trades. I think we pull back to 13, 14, and consequently,
Order submitted.
You got issues with
Order
You
filled.
got issues with Apex, guys.
Order filled.
You have issues with Apex. Got lag on Apex. Careful.
Just the Middle East, Hezbollah leader Nasrallah is giving a televised address about the pager explosions.
Hezbollah leader's giving a
blaming it on
televised
Israel.
address. He's not answering any calls, though.
Nasrallah is saying Israel violated red lines by detonating thousands of pagers.
I mean, you got to give it to Israel, right?
Target filled.
There's target.
The State Department announcing new sanctions related to Russia and North Korea.
Well, there's target one. Stop is even. We'll see where she goes. Come on.
Target filled.
There it is. Target 2 hit and filled. Nice job, Connor. Nice job, brother. All right, guys. The last target is out at 155. So that's a low probability target, but it'll auto trail. YM doing literally nothing.
FT Intel reporting August new net trailer orders were 6.6 thousand units. That was up 17% month over month, but down 30% year over year.
Yeah. We got the 5-minute close, guys, over 50. 52. It could come back and back test 52.50, but that will hold. Now the next hurdle is going to be 73, which might be the day high. And then we're going to get a breakout above that.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Treasury's Yellen saying that the Fed's move yesterday is very positive. It's a very positive sign for the
No
U.S.
issue
economy.
whatsoever, guys, with Buell Knox. I just took a trade on Buell Knox. No issue.
Hezbollah's Nasrallah saying the attacks on Tuesday and Wednesday were massacres.
No issue with Buell Knox. Yeah, that was resistance. We got the 5-minute close above resistance. It just back tested it. Now support, Connor. Here is the bot. Auto trail is in. And what I'm going to do is manually move this to target 1. And once the auto trail catches up, it'll just keep going. That's the 2000 tick Heikinashi, Kevin, on the original bot. Same settings as the MNQ. I just used them for NQ. I don't trade MNQ. I mean, that's in Sim. I haven't traded that in a month of Sundays. But I deleted a chart and I had some screen space. Yesterday, I started trading it yesterday and it was just killing it. And I'm like, wow, this thing is taking a ton of trades. And then I looked at it and I said, I missed a zero. I had a 200 tick Heikinashi. It was all over hell's half acre. Customer hit a buoy last night. Nice. How bad was the boat? Don't drink and drive, man. Don't drink and drive. It's a good one. Where was he? On the river? Kit? Had to be. Here comes 101. Man. No alcohol? Wow. I mean, this thing is like ever ready. So the trailing stop is almost caught up. Maybe one more candle and trailing stop would be caught up. Another clean candle. Guys, this is just 101 is the next resistance. This is the original bot, Kit. This is the original. It's taken 2 trades today. This is the first bot we ever built. Got 1 target here and now 2. And then the TrendBot Pro was kind of an update to this. All right, so the trailing stop is caught up and exceeded the second target. I have nowhere to get in, guys, at this point. Nowhere to get in. Unless, I mean, if you're like living dangerously, you can try it here at 102, but that's a little dangerous for me. Yeah, it's the MNQ settings, Ken. It's the settings we had been using for months and months on MNQ. I just built it for NQ. I don't. To me, it's pointless to trade NQ, MNQ. Well, I guess you could have bought O2. Look at this thing go. We're up 550. There's no way that I can take a trade up here. There's just no way. Momentum is straight up. We're going to 181. This is bonkers, man. I'll be shutting this off today. It's not going to get another trade anyways. No more trades on ES? Yes, Keith. What's up, brother? I don't even need to do that.
Order canceled.
Well, I guess I do.
Order submitted.
There. How about that? No, I'm trading 1, 1, and 1. 1, 1, and 1. And I've got the third target set at 5.5 times average true range, which is just lunacy. That even can get there. Well, summer trading is, that's why, like, if you look at the algo in July, the algo took 48 trades, right? With 44 winners. Well, in August, it only took 28 trades with 24 winners. So it took, almost, 40% less trades, give or take, because of volume. So when things kind of trail off, that is correct, Keith. So when things kind of trail off in this, especially in August, I don't pay any attention to it because it's more than likely it's just summer trading and lower volume.
Natural gas inventory data plus 58 in the latest week.
I mean, this thing isn't even close to a pullback. No trades on the NASDAQ algos at all. There's been no signals. Straight up trend day here, guys. Straight up trend day. And we're almost to, my God, 125 handles. That's just ridiculous. 188 is topside now. 188. YM is getting a push. If anybody is interested in YM, YM is on support right here at 420. You can, Jesus, it bounced 20 ticks in a nanosecond. I can't even get you guys into trades. Yeah, it did not meet at 10 o'clock. I don't have it. On what time frame? You mean this? I don't use that signal, Keith. Oh, so 10 o'clock would be 9 o'clock. I don't have the algos on. There's your target, guys. 5.5 times average true range. Missed a nice trade at 420 on the YM. This would be target 161. Anybody catch it? Next target up would be 485. Look, this has made enough money.
Order filled.
Here's what it did for the day on 2 trades. That's insane. 39.80. I'm done watching it. Hit all 3 targets. And 061 came damn close on that move to 02. So I'm going to call it 95.
Order submitted.
95 target 1, 95 for me. Trade them as you see fit. Again, I can hold this trade. I'm not screwing around with a funded trade, prop firm. This could pop back up to 24 quarter. I don't think so. And they slipped me 2 ticks for good measure. Come on, you torque. Let's go. $78. Here's resistance. 24 quarter. Here we go. Come on, break down below 05 and just kill yourself. Fall on that sword. Here we go. Boop. Bye. Come on. Oh, you scumbag. Come on.
Order filled.
All right, half the position is off. Half the position is off. I'm looking for 67. Anybody short? Would you look at that? My next, we've got to break down, guys, below 88. We get 72. So I'll take 3 off at 80.
Order submitted.
3 off at 80.
As well as chiefs saying that Israeli officials will not be able to return Israeli residents to northern Israel.
Come on, homeboy. Bust them out. We can break down, guys, on the next 3-minute bar, which is in minute and 25 seconds. It's going to fart around for another minute. If you guys want your money out, risk off, take it off. Take it off. I want to stay below that level. There we go. Okay. Come on. Come on, Chunkadunk. Got sellers in here, guys. 670 net sellers. We're just waiting on the 3-minute bar to flip. The 3-minute bar is flipped. It's just got to work through this buy zone here that we're in at the top of right now. We got 30 seconds to go. And if this sucker breaks down below 70, we're coming 35. Below 70, we're going to get a trade of epic proportions. Come on. Don't hold here. When does this bar flip?
Order submitted.
7 seconds. ES Algo just shorted. Come on, dog. Here we go. Come on, push. 94.50 now has to hold for me. Here we go. Oh, you scumbag. You. Come on. Get me. Get me. Get me. Ah,
Order filled.
there we go. Here comes a break. If we break 72, 36 is target. She's cooked. I want that to be resistance now, 94. Okay? Got to break 72, next level. I want 94.50 to hold. Thank you, Charlie. All right, guys. I'm on the cusp of closing this out because we could pop back to 04.
Order filled.
Flat. Now what I want to see is a move up, a lower high, and a roll. You guys good on that trade? Guys? Okay. You know. That's all you need is one trade a day, fellas. We don't need to take 30. Nice job, Connor. $2,800 day. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Guys, is there anybody not making money? Is there anybody that has not made any money? Justin's green. Is there anybody that's red? All right, so this is our pullback. We could pull back to 124. That's right. Listen, shut it off at 11. Shut down your ninja. Go to the gym. Do something. I guarantee if you sit in front of the computer, you will push a button. I mean, put that in perspective, Connor, just for what it's worth. If you could do that every day, 2,800 times 5, it's $14,000 a week, times 4, let's do this, times 52, that's $728,000 a year, right? You don't have to make $700,000 today. Though I know a guy. We're coming back down to 79. That's support now. You're welcome, Marty. Guys, my next short is below that 72. So let me just kind of show you what this looks like. We still have 4,000 net buyers, right? We could push back up to 122 or 131 back into that sell zone. Or if we dip back down below 94.50, we probably push to 72. 72 break is going to take us to 35 and 13.75. Now, this is a big buy zone. This is all buy zone in here. That's going to take some serious selling. However, it wouldn't be unlike them to want to trap Europe now in longs ahead of triple witch tomorrow. Close. Triple witch is actually a very close relative of my ex-wife. Extreme bitch. It's the same. Sorry, guys. Just being funny. Yes, OPEX is tomorrow. One guy laughed. Listen, I am not politically correct. I will never be politically correct. And if anybody expects me to be politically correct, I am way too old to be politically correct. If I hurt somebody's snowflake feelings, sorry. That's right. Change the channel. Here's the breakdown, guys. Watch this push through. My ex is more than challenging. And we've been divorced. Hell, my youngest daughter is 23, and I still have to deal with her. If 72 goes, this could get brutal. Man, I know, Kit, listen, you're my hero, buddy. You are the poster child for patience, because I couldn't do it. I've told you that I couldn't do it. He's a straight up really bad guy. Father of the Year award is not in his future. No, I specifically said yesterday in the room, if they raise 50 bips long gold, if they raise a quarter short gold. No, the dollar's getting crunched. Guys, watch this breakdown. I think they're going to flush 72. We're sitting on 2-minute support. I'll show you. These are my favorite trades here. Let me shut this. So ES up $600, 4 trades, 4 winners. Meanwhile, the NASDAQ is not taking a damn trade. Anybody short? Anybody short? You should be green. I hope you're green. If not, please let me know. Members, same thing. If you're not green, let me know. Okay, Bob. I mean, we shouldn't have. You're welcome, Charlie. We shouldn't have anybody that's not, but sometimes guys leave the reservation and do their own thing. All right, I'm going to wrap it up for the day. For those of you guys that are on trial, yeah, I don't like shorts on hard trend days either. They're hard to take. I understand. If you guys are here on trial, what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to shut down the webinar for the day. Tomorrow, of course, being Friday, but last day of the week. I'm going to shut down the webinar. I'm going to restart another webinar immediately and see if we can't get a trade on the NASDAQ algos. We have not had many signals. Volatility's been a little bit low other than the push first 30 minutes, but the algos won't take a trade in a straight move. We need pullbacks and then an extension, right? So again, I'm not looking for 20 trades a day. I'm just looking for winners. I've sent everybody the spreadsheets. Nice job, Connor. And I will record until noon and see if we get any trades. If we do, you guys will have a video. I'll include this video and anything that may occur between now and 12. If nothing occurs between now and 12, then you'll just get the room video today, okay? ES did a great job for the video, at least currently. ES is up $600, 4 trades, 4 winners, okay? I'll see everybody tomorrow.